Hi and welcome to Trafficzion. Your first step is to basically go get yourself a Gravatar account before anything else. So all I want you to do is come to gravatar.com and come to this website right here where you're going to create your own Gravatar. I don't care if you've already got one. I need you to create one from the beginning to the end so you can set up Trafficzion without any problems. And once you set it up one time, and let's say you do already own a Gravatar account, then go and do the same thing over there. But right now I want you to follow my steps step by step so we don't have any problems in support or opening tickets. This is as simple as it gets, so I'm going to try and make it as simple as it is. There is no overthinking about this. I want you to follow my step-by-step process for you to get started with Trafficzion that will get you free targeted traffic back to your blogs. So let's get started. First things first is come here and click on create your own Gravatar. Now in this part, it's going to take you to the WordPress platform where you're going to create a new login detail and password that you're going to be using for this specific account. Is this clear? This is choose your niche, whatever niche it is, and this is what it's going to be based about, this whole account. This is going to be your DNA. This is where people are going to be seeing your engagement on their posts and blogs, where they're going to be coming back to your profile in order to come back to the website you've linked inside the Gravatar. Okay, so I'm going to take you inside the Gravatar. Once you've signed up, then if you've already got an account, you sign up. If not, you go ahead and if you already have an account, you can come and go log in here or create your first account here. So in my case, I created one, and this was for my Destiny Tuning Secrets. I'm going to go ahead and log in now. So once you log in, you get into your Gravatar account. Now this is where the magic begins. You're going to come into your profile. All right, and you're going to fill in your information. Now you can see here that I'm doing this for my Destiny Tuning Secret. So if you go to Destiny Tuning Secret, you're going to see that this is my account that's based on this, etc. So I'm just following through and filling in the information of whatever needs to be done. But the most important thing that you need to follow is the websites that you're going to be adding in this section right here. Now you can see this area, it's not actually showing my website just fully, but I think it's broken, but it's not. It's connected. Now what you're going to do here is, if you don't have a website here, which you don't, basically, you're going to come here and add your website. Now, this is for the people that have a website and domain on their own basic hosting thing. So if you already have a website somewhere off the WordPress platform, then come and put it here. Put in your URL. So in my case, I put destinytuningsecret.com. and then named it my Destiny Tuning Secret Destiny Tuning Secret. Okay, and then save website, and then it'll add it here, and that's all you need to do. You're done with this section. You're done with your WordPress account as well, and Gravatar, and you're ready to go. Now you're gonna go back into the software and just basically put in the login info that you put in this account that you created in the wordpress.com. Okay, it's very simple. That is the login details we want in Trafficzion, and then you're ready to go. Okay, so this is how you get started. This is step one, and that's it. That's all you need to know about how to get started. I'm gonna have a few videos inside showing you how you can connect to your already existing WordPress site if you want, through Jetpack, which is a plugin, a free plugin that you can download. And that's it. It's optional. It only makes things easier for you if you already have a website with a Jetpack, because it takes you directly to the WordPress.com platform where you're going to be doing all the work with Gravatar, etc. But your first step is this video. Do not skip this video. Create your account. I don't care if you already have an account. I want you to create a new account, connect a new website to it, and start off fresh so you don't have any problems. Okay? Now, I want to show you something else. Now, inside your WordPress account, okay, which is the Destiny Tuning Secret. If I go into my login details that I have for the let me just go into the login. Now, when you get into the Destiny Tuning Secret, it gives you two options. One is to log in with your wordpress.com account, which is what you created with Gravatar, if you remember. So you're going to come in and click on this if you want. Or if you wanted to go into the back end of your website, you're going to log in with the user and password of your website cPanel information. Putting it out there so it's clear for you that there's two different sections to this place. Now, what I want to do here is actually go to my wordpress.com that I connected this website that I created through Gravatar. Okay, so basically I'm going to do that because what I want to do here is, okay, now it's signed in using my wordpress.com account, which means that I could go into my settings through the Jetpack. Okay, you see there's a Jetpack right here and it gives me the settings and it says here, visit more stats on wordpress.com. And this is where I want you to go. I want you to click on that if you're doing this through your website, and it takes you to the wordpress.com platform. This is where all the magic happens. Okay, so if you come to Reader right here, this is where you will find your new keywords you're going to be using and how you're going to be searching for new articles and posts. Very simple. Now I'm bringing you in here so I can give you an example of how you're going to begin finding keywords to put in Trafficzion. It's very simple. You come down to the Reader and then come down to the search. Okay, and then what you can do here is start from here. So as you can see, I've already have some suggestions from WordPress. So I can go ahead and click on this, and this will pull out all these information post on the law of attraction. Now, if I want to actually get some ideas on the keywords that people might be using, I can come here and look at all these keywords and tags that I'm seeing right here, even in the post, like law of attraction, new user. I would choose inspiration and law of attraction and add more, actually. Okay, same here, inspiration, motivation quotes. I would use motivational quotes in that. So you would take those keywords and add them. Now, in the keyword thing, put them, if you're writing keywords, put one like this, law of attraction, and do another one like this, law of attraction. Okay, put it together, make two of each, just in case, you never know. Okay, if you see that one of the keywords is not getting any likes, that's because maybe nobody's using the way I'm using it here. But just in case, just so we don't have any problems in terms of keywords and researching, you don't go to Google and find keywords. Keep that out of the way. You come back to the Reader and find the keywords, because out of the billions of people that are searching these posts and tags are many keywords. All you got to do is scroll down, find the ones in your tags, in your niche, and take those keywords, get ideas, put them in a little notepad on the side, and fill up that notepad with keywords that you can be using. Okay, so is this clear? Are we done here? Because this is where the magic happens. Okay, so we're done with that part. And from here, you can see all your stats that you're going to be getting from the WordPress Reader and from the referrals and from wherever you want to see what's going on. You're going to see your stats grow here, and plus in your notifications right here. As you can see, it's been already just growing on its own because I'm using Trafficzion. Okay, so you can see that this is literally working for me in the background. Now in the next part, I'm going to show you how you're going to be connecting your Trafficzion software. So once you've downloaded Trafficzion, it's going to show up in your PC on this little icon right here. So all I want you to do is double click on it. Once you double click on it, you're going to go into the license area and you're going to put in your email. Okay, so in this case, we're going to put in the email that you purchased Trafficzion. Very important. This is where you register your account so we know what you're doing. You're going to add it right here and you're going to click register. For any problems, make sure you contact support. Now, once you've connected that, you're going to come into the accounts area and you're going to put in your your Destiny, like for example, the Destiny tuning secret. These are the login details that I created from Gravatar, and you're going to put them in here for it to work, not your WordPress personal website login details. Two different things. We're working with wordpress.com platform where you created your account on the first video, on the first section of this video. Okay, so this is where you put in the details. You're going to click on the this edit or add a new account, etc. You're going to put the name, the WordPress login, you see the .com email and login and password, and you're ready to go. The proxies are only optional. Do not put any proxies if you don't know what you're doing, so you don't mess up the system. Ignore it. If the people want to use proxies and know how to use it, go ahead and go through the section right here. Other than that, close that and close this. All right, and you're done with that section, and all you want to do now is add the keywords that you found previously the way I showed you. Find the keywords that you want, put them in here, and always make sure you put one keyword that is very popular. Like for example, law of attraction, in case of the blog that I'm doing, is the one that's going to be actually working, so you can see that if Trafficzion is working or not. Now, one other thing that I need to specify right here is the logs in each account. I want you to ignore any types of logs. These are for developers' eyes only. We're having that, so if you ever have a problem, all we ask you is to get that log and copy and paste it and send it us in email so we can help you better. It's not for your eyes. I don't care if it says it's not working, it's not on, it's not whatever. It's working. Everything's working as said. Now, Trafficzion is running in the background. This means I'm going to be getting likes. There'll be some keywords that I'm not going to be getting likes, and that is because those keywords have not been seen on the WordPress platform. That could be because, one, I could have wrong keywords, wrong spelling, or nobody's using those keywords basically. So if you see this 0 all the time, just remove them if you want. Find new keywords. If you see some likes and some 0 and other ones, it doesn't mean that Trafficzion isn't working. It's working. It's just those keywords are not being found on the WordPress platform. So go and find more. Be smart on how you search for keywords. Look into the articles so you can find more. Okay, so we're done with that part. And one final part is the Trafficzion tribe. Whoever got the tribe basically comes in this area and puts in their domain. Their domain must be connected to a Jetpack, or you must have created a WordPress.com platform like we just talked about. If you created all that, then you are ready to go. All you have to do is put in your domain here. All right, just the way you see that I just did it here, without the HTTP, without anything like that, and this will pull out my website. Now, if for some reason it's not pulling your website, that must be because, one, you haven't set it up properly, or you're putting the wrong address here, or you don't have a host. It's not on a hosted web platform that has Jetpack connected, or you haven't created a WordPress.com WordPress website, which you can do for free. Okay, so we're done here. Now what happens here is when we put this domain in here, your own personal WordPress website, you're going to go ahead and find the articles that you want other Trafficzion members to engage with. This will help you boost your post up on the WordPress reader, which is like the Google of the internet. Okay, so here you're going to choose the ones that you want. Okay, and then you're going to click this little star here, and these are the articles that I want people to focus on. Now remember, you can only choose 10 a month. I'm gonna say it again, 10 a month. The reason why we're doing this is because we don't want to spam, we don't want to look like a bot, and we want to control this as much as possible so it's clean and it works for everybody and nobody gets any complaints. Now what this does is going to get other Trafficzion members to come and engage with your new articles or posts that you just posted, and it will help them actually engage with them automatically as soon as you post something. And that, imagine having 100 or 1,000 Trafficzion tribe members liking and engaging with your post that you just put up on your WordPress account or your WordPress website or your blog or whatever, an offer, it doesn't matter, a new product on e-commerce, a new product on Shopify, doesn't matter. You're going to be able to drive traffic to that and boost those posts from the other Trafficzion members, which makes it popular and will make it important for other people to say that it's something that people like and they will engage with at the end. Okay, so we're done with the Trafficzion tribe. You only choose 10 per month, and you make sure you choose the ones that you really want to focus people to going to. This is only for you, not for other blogs. Okay, this is for you to gain traction to your website for traffic. It's not for other blogs. You're not sharing something with other people. And one more thing, Trafficzion does not post for you. It doesn't do anything of that sort. It just engages with the likes and follows inside the WordPress reader platform. And I'm going to show you how it actually works in the background, so you have a full overview of how this works on autopilot. So if you come back to the reader, I'm going to show you a way that you can do this on manual, but this is why I made this software, so you don't have to. And you can see here that I've been searching all these keywords to see what's going on, and I'm doing my research, and that's what you need to do. So if I wanted to find something that's in my law of attraction, I'll come here and I'm gonna go, it's gonna pull all these keywords, tags that has to do with Abraham Hicks, for example. And what the software does basically is come here and follows the tag, follows the article, likes, and it will like where it didn't like and will follow. Okay, this is what it will do all day, every day, as long as you got it turned on. Now, this is very important, because what happens here is that when you do like somebody's post, they can see your basically your profile. So for example, it's a nice post. Let's say I'm posting manually right now this thing right here. They can see this profile right here, which is the Destiny Tuning Secret. That's why I'm saying it's important for you to connect everything properly, because when they click on it, they come back to your post that you've done, and they're liking it, and they're engaging with it, and this is how it looks like from another perspective, etc. They come directly to your blog and website, and they even follow you. Okay, so this is very important that you connect everything like we said, so you can get people back to your blogs and websites as simple as that. Because once they click on that banner, it takes them straight to Destiny Tuning Secret. And this is how Trafficzion works. It's that simple. My thing to you, my tip to you is really leave this on, minimize it, put in your tags, and close it. You'll be done. That's all I want you to do. There is nothing else you need to do with this software. There is nothing else to look at this software. This software works in the background autopilot to help you get free targeted traffic, just like I just showed you. It's as simple as that. Now, if you monetize your blogs and websites, then go ahead and check the section with the extra modules and bonuses, because we're giving you free training showing you how you can monetize those blogs so you can make money from Google AdSense. Now, one last thing that I want to share with you, you can do this for free, and you can do this with a domain. However, with a free WordPress website, you won't be able to actually monetize it with Google AdSense. It needs to be a paid domain. Okay, now another thing that I want to cover is that on Gravatar you can add many websites if you want, but I do suggest you actually target things. So have one website per Gravatar and connect things like I just showed you, and basically put in content. Now, one quick tip is that when you're building content, make sure that you have your links inside, or you're monetizing it properly, just like I'm going to show you in the training that you can see inside. And here you can see that I'm directing these people from one article that I have on Destiny Tuning Secret to a ClickBank offer that I'm making money off. But you can actually, okay, this I need to bring down now, because I guess what do you call it, ClickBank product is down, so I have to change that. That's good to know. Anyway, so basically this is what I need you to do. This is what you need to set up things, and you can monetize and make money from it, from anything that you can think of. It could be also maybe even what do you call it, a Shopify store. You can connect the Shopify store, eBay stores, anything with a domain you can connect into Gravatar. Okay, so thank you for joining Trafficzion, and I hope this was as clear as possible. I hope you follow my steps and follow everything that I've shown you in here. Now, other than that, please continue to the Trafficzion support group, because we have a live support helping everybody with any problems, but I'm sure you'll not have any problems once you set it up the way we just showed you. Okay, so thank you, and I'll talk to you inside.